Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you is it possible to view any private Instagram account without following. So let's uncover in this video. So first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on this icon in the bottom and click on this search and search for a random profile. So I'm going to search this profile. So you can see that there is no option to view this account. So the only thing that you can do is you need to click on this profile picture to see profile picture like this, but there is no other method that you can use to see other post of this account and follower and following list. For that you need to follow that account, so there is no method possible. So you can find different videos on internet and different blogs as well, but that are fake and there is no method that you can use to watch, because Instagram wants to protect the privacy of their user. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.